Little Fox.
Fun at Kids Central, Episode 3, Something to Sit Upon. Jason was swimming away from a great white shark when someone tapped him on the shoulder.
Jason,
Miss Shelley said.
I've warned you about video games in Kids Central.
Sorry, Miss Shelley.
Jason mumbled. He looked down and saw himself get eaten by the shark.
Did everyone bring in a plastic garbage bag and a newspaper?
Miss Shelley asked the kids.
Yes, but what are they for?
Nina wanted to know.
It's a surprise,
Miss Shelley said, her eyes twinkling.
Everyone, grab 2 paint pens and a ruler from the table. Toss them in your bags and follow me outside.
Miss Shelley led the class to the picnic tables on the playground.
We're lucky we have these tables. But what if we wanted to sit under that tree over there? Or in a park that doesn't have tables?
The kids stared at her.
The ground is all wet,
Miss Shelley hinted.
We'd get all wet.
Bobby said.
We'd need something to sit on.
Izzy burst out.
Yes, we'd need something like a sit-upon,
Miss Shelley said.
Today we're going to make sit-upons. Take everything out of your bag except for the newspaper. First, we have to cut your garbage bags to make them smaller. Let your newspaper slide all the way to the bottom of the bag. Measure about 10 centimeters from the end of the newspaper. Then, cut off the open end of the bag.
Miss Shelley handed out scissors.
Measure.
Bobby said, placing a ruler on his bag.
Cut.
Nina said, cutting her bag.
Perfect.
Izzy said, holding up her bag.
Now, fold the loose side like you're wrapping a present. Then tape the end with duct tape. Be careful. Duct tape is very sticky.
Jason sat with his arms crossed, looking unhappy.
What's the matter, Jason?
Miss Shelley asked.
I don't like this craft.
He said grumpily.
Why not?
Miss Shelley frowned.
My mom gave me a pink garbage bag. I hate pink.
Jason pushed his bag away from him.
Oh, Jason, pink is a great color. But if you want a different bag, let's see. Does anyone want to trade bags with Jason?
I do.
Izzy jumped up.
I love pink.
Thank you, Izzy. What color is your bag?
Miss Shelley asked.
Gray. Is that okay?
Izzy looked at Jason.
Gray's my favorite color.
Jason grinned.
Problem solved. Now everyone is going to paint their sit-upons.
Miss Shelley turned to the other kids.
Use your paint pens to decorate your sit-upon any way you'd like. Make sure to put your name on it. Then you're all done.
Wow, Jason, that's cool.
Izzy said. Jason had drawn a great white shark on his sit-upon.
Thanks. I guess it's okay. But it would have looked dumb on a pink bag.
He said.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.